got done pressure washing it. Cleaned it up as much as I could. I had one of those pressure washer sand blasters. That's what I was messing with in the video, but I didn't have no sand. I had some black slag media that I used, but it stopped up. So I'm gonna get some sand. I probably won't do it again, but I gotta do the bed of my truck, so I can do this roundel line stuff. So we're gonna give it another shot before I get rid of it, send it back. But we'll be on the paint next.